Dice chess, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Give each player 2 chess dice. Normal dice can be used instead by assigning pieces to the numbers as so. 1 is pawn, 2 is knight, 3 is bishop, 4 is rook, 5 is queen, and 6 is king. On your turn, you roll both dice. Then, pick one of your pieces to move as indicated by one of the dice rolled. You may not move a piece if you didn't roll it. If you roll doubles, then you choose any one of your pieces to move. If you have no legal move for either dice rolled, then you lose your turn without moving and your opponent goes. You may castle under the normal conditions if you roll a rook, king, or doubles. You may only use en passant if you roll a pawn or doubles the very next turn when the first opportunity for the en passant capture arises. If you don't, you may not use the en passant on a later turn. When you are in check, you may only move pieces rolled that allow you to handle getting out of check. If your roll is unable to do that, then you lose your turn, but you do not automatically lose the game. However, you will lose the game if your opponent rolls the appropriate pieces needed to capture your king. Then they are allowed to capture it and win. If they fail to do so, then you are allowed to try and roll again to escape check. The first player to capture their opponent's king or to position their pieces into checkmate immediately wins.